What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be learning what Git is. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Git? Git is what we call a version control system, or you could call it a VCS for short. The great thing with Git is that you can take away, edit, and even add any files within a set repository, and we'll talk more about that down the road. On top of this, Git also tracks when you are committing these changes, or in simple terms, uploading a new change to your repository. With this being said, now let's dive into the technical aspect and download this on your computer. Okay, sweet. So here we go. This is the URL that you all need to go to get to this page. I'll post this in the description below so you guys can just copy and paste it in. Now let's move to the download section. We have three selections here. We have Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. I'm currently operating on Mac OS, so I'm going to be choosing this one. But for any other users who are on Windows or Linux, commands will be different, but the overall process will be very similar. So, Mac OS. All right, download for Mac OS. All right, we're going to go into Homebrew. For anyone new that doesn't know what Homebrew is, don't get too overwhelmed with it. No need to dive into it too much right now. But we're going to be installing Homebrew first so we can continue on with this process. Okay, and here we are. We're on the home page for Homebrew. So we're going to install Homebrew. Oh, additionally, this is the URL. I'm going to put this in the description below so you can just copy and paste it in. But all right, this command right here, this is what you want. We're going to copy this, and then we're going to go to our application terminal and do a simple paste. Just do a Command V. Once we're there, we're going to return or enter. My computer requires a password. Yours might or might not, but continue on. Enter again. Downloading and installing Homebrew. Okay, great. So now we have Homebrew installed. We're not going to get too much into Homebrew for this video, but for now, you are all set to continue with downloading Git. Okay, great. So now that we've downloaded Homebrew, it is time to install Git. So this is the command that you need right here. I'm going to type it into my terminal command. You can copy it. It's up to you. So here we go. We're going to type brew install Git. Okay. So for my computer, I already have this installed, but for this video, we're just going to do a nice reinstall. Okay, great. Downloading. Pouring, caveats, summary, running, brew, cleanup, Git. And there we have it. Now Git is installed on your computer. With that being said, if you guys liked what you saw, please hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. That would help me a lot. And then one thing I really want to stress though, before the closing of this video is, if you got lost or got confused throughout this video, please leave your question in the comment section below. And I'll be viewing them, and I'll make sure that I'll answer your question so you guys can get fully installed so you can start with your projects. With that being said, thank you so much. Chase out.